I dey see am so. This one na the Ogbonge show where they come sunging out better things. Where they make una dey jollificate for una screen there. This one na the show. Your one and only Bobos. Yan. Confirm. Yes, so I said.
Yep. I said, baby. What's happening?
Yes, man, move my cap when I see my eye. Today, this Plufik, and it is very interesting. But as usual, when I know I'm never complete without my usual criminals. Chakra.
You they call criminal. When I send a message about our show, somebody say 3 witches.
Not be 3 wizards or 3 witches.
3 witches, not listen.
Child, that's a very serious one.
Now Messi from Benin.
Now Benin girl.
Messi from Benin.
Now why she know now?
Now make call us witches now because my headquarter be that.
Now their headquarter be that.
Messi.
Yes.
Messi, we love witches.
Do
we love you as a witch, and the Bible says, "Suffer the witch not to live." So we will not suffer you.
Don't worry. We'll
to
not
live.
suffer you. Don't worry. Yes, now if you don't want to say what you did at Bobos and on top Wazobia TV. And today they're very splufic. The matter where we carry come, they sensitive and they very interesting. We come talk the matter today. Say Wetin women want. Then the matter where we carry come today because we need to know. We don't do research on top of the whole matter. Then we carry and come say Wetin women want. You say for you house there, if you follow us chook mouth on top of the matter, our social media portals they run through your screen. Make you they send in the message them through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you send them for Facebook, Wazobia TV NG hashtag Bobosian. And for Instagram, now the same thing. Wazobia TV NG hashtag Bobosian. But on Twitter, now at Bobosian. Make we start to the talk. Sharply. Wetin women want? I believe say women deserve the best. Women want plenty things for life. Chakra.
You don't talk on plenty things now women want. They want a lot. But number one thing where I feel say women want now, attention. Serious.
Are you a soldier man?
No.
Attention.
You don't say one girl don't they complain, say a man no get time, a man no get time. Then the guy just go buy work clock come. Give her take the time.
But you know say I know one agree with you on that one because it just happened to me of late. Some women we don't want attention.
So waiting me that thing.
She tell me clearly, she says, see, right now, she no just get time to give any man attention or even receive attention. So you see, someone now we they confused about this woman without waiting the really. No be runs girl.
Every normal woman we be say every normal woman need attention.
No matter you. This na career babe. We even did the industry we want to pursue within the pursue.
No
so
matter how busy where the babe dey.
Some people did that level.
No matter how busy where the babe dey. See she go need this attention. And they tell you.
No be all they want. See, everybody get time for your life where you want something. You understand? But if you be saying at the face of your life, you never get face for your life where you don't want something.
Woman, even when they don't old, they need man by them side. Some of them, where we say the husband get money or rich man, but they see they complain, say they don't enjoy the marriage. What did you say they don't enjoy? Everything they. What it be that thing where they say they know they enjoy this marriage? Some of
that one, yeah, understand. Now the attention they define.
What did you say?
They need the time. Where they need the time.
You know, say one thing what you need to know now, say the way women they wired, it's different from the way men take they wired. Women just wired to the extent where we say that thing where they feel, that thing where they see, those things where they come close to them where they feel. Now they make them, they always want those things.
When they go abstract things.
No. It's not. See, when they tell you waiting,
I won't go physical things.
No, we go still enter that direction. But see, let's go into the things that has to do with the soul. Because if you talk of woman, not be only physical. It has to do with the body, the emotions, the mindsets too. Women say.
But really, you should say you fit even sabi wetin woman want for this life.
The truth be say you don't feel no woman finish. Even the one where you marry for house. Every day, now they discover new things.
New things
for woman.
Like I see one picture, maybe not just a caricature, but it really speak within how women be. They say understanding a woman. That's the name of the book. The book High from Ground. Reshare like this. You understand? The guy when they read that, the guy they page 2.
Yeah.
You know.
He no fit finish am.
And the book get like 1 million pages. You know. So in the page 2, and you know they read this book all in life. So imagine when you won't understand woman finish.
Now why Steve Harvey don't leave everything come they begin tell them how to say me then read the book, act like a act like a
Think
like
like
a man, act like a woman, what the hell. Because even the women self, it be like say even themselves, they don't feel understand themselves. So they need to now begin to think. Like, but I won't write book.
I believe say that book where Steve Harvey writes now say to just let them know it's okay. If you think like man, now like this, you know say Steve Harvey will carry and go towards relationship. Now that Steve Harvey.
Well, even we now where would they carry now? Even we said that relationship they can't go because we were there. We know say.
But you know why women? Sorry, Shuma. You know why women they very complicated. Most women they move like what you talk. They move by what they see.
Yes.
For their society, the environment
Around
man,
them.
figure goal. Say you see this thing in after end of this year I want to do this. But woman now feel they go say end of this year she want to do this thing. She see some of her friends where they do like
God
this.
bless you. For saying that, let me make I even chip in there before I forget. You see, one woman now feel just say she get standards now, or she get what she want achieve. She say, okay, when she reach this age, she'll get BSc. Then from there, she'll come go get MSc. Come do this one. They feel no one will put they come marriage FIFA. But you know, say when they begin to associate with other people maybe around her, because this one they marry, you don't change. Now only man, that's how to know what woman want. If you just come one day, your babe will never mention marriage, give you, because you begin to cry marriage. If you even arrange with your wife, tell your wife say we don't go born pikin until the next 3 years. My brother, you marry and enter house. After like 2 months.
He there everywhere. This way talk. Even for WeTV, where would they work? When the girls they first resume, nobody they talk about marriage.
But now
once one married,
who married first? Who married first?
The rest, everybody come begin.
Who married first?
Enter, you know.
Who married first? Remember, wait, maybe we do Agogo for street. When we come back from Agogo for street, we go list the set of people.
We married. Yes.
For Wetin.
For Wetin.
We are coming back.
A woman like money, that one is constant.
Every woman like a beautiful, handsome guy.
Stability, comfort, that listening ear.
A woman like a man that has swag.
Somebody that can be able to take care of them in terms of money,
Flashy cars, flashy houses.
The best thing in life. They need men, they need money.
Has money, well-spoken, handsome, and tall.
A woman likes a man that has knowledge, intelligence, and a woman also likes a man that will protect her.
They show them love and affection.
Women want love, they want money, they want career, but love comes first. Because if you never see true love, you no go feel fulfill other things.
Yes, welcome back to Bobos here on top Wazobia TV. And if you just join us, you never see miss too much. This one are the show with the young things we concern Bobos and babies them. And today we dey talk this very specific matter where we say wetin women them want. Our social media portals then they run through your screen. If you know wetin women want, sharply, follow us the talk. You fit get opportunity to win something or make you come inside this our studio. Come follow us, Chukman, for matter one of these days there.
Yes, very true. Christmas special day too.
Oh yes, nowadays it is where we always. So we go do them next from during the Christmas period. We go get people go to come in every day on top of it, so that now the people where they tweet us pass so abi.
Yes.
Now we go
People
bring in here so you go see.
Social media portals.
You know say happy because I want to see one babe come this bar, come sit down with us here, come gist. And I near me to go sit down.
Talk now, the guys get the visit, they no get hope to come.
No guys go come.
When I get plenty hope.
That the highest. Maybe we go choose 3
They
girls
follow
and
us
2
they
guys. You understand? For that one week.
One of the tweets, our tweets.
If we
they
come out
retweet,
from
they follow
attention,
us.
you know, say most of our guys, plenty of them talk money, but if we come out from attention, may we leave money aside. I believe say every woman wants comfort.
Make a list with me at the way
Yes.
talk. Say everything a woman wants start from letter M. Man. Every woman wants man. Chakara. If I dey list them, if they expatiate.
No, go ahead, of course.
Yeah,
they want
fire
money.
now.
Then they want marriage.
Of
Of course.
Like
every woman want
you
marry.
say we TV. That our colleague. You know one get Eno. Eno, the first as they engage Eno.
No, wait. You know, say that time when first come. You know, when she come now, when she just come from London that time, her boyfriend, she dey fine. But as she fall inside.
Oh, she dey find boyfriend. We don't know she dey find boyfriend.
She dey find boyfriend, big boyfriend.
They find out. They can't engage Eno. Before you blink your eye, cheche, radio. They don't. Before you blink your eye, baby, Ogo, courage, skippy,
Queen B.
Queen B self.
You know.
No, whenever they shove down, that would be like political engagement.
Of Queen B.
The ring they go off on.
Of Queen B.
Off and on the
Of
hand.
Queen B.
Then I get for people where they receive call. What will be her name?
Awa.
Dupe.
Oh, Dupe don't marry.
Dupe don't marry now.
You know that this thing, what you try to talk, we say, where you find yourself,
that
yes, they influence you. You understand?
It influence.
Even if guys don't they talk to you before, up to the instead of proposing to you, they say, no, I'm not ready. But you can't call people where they work with. This one engage. Then another guy just talk to you, say, what about engagement? You just.
What is I they try to tell you now? Be say, you don't feel know what you want because if your woman now, when they live with you, can't go enter one new office. The way she want go change. For instance, now your wife feel they enter or your babe feel they like to enter taxi, no they complain. When she reach there, women like moto.
I like this topic. I like this topic. You know why? Because we never argue since.
No.
And it makes sense because we dey on the same page today. Why I say we dey on the same page now? Because we know say women want all these perfect things of life.
You know why we dey on the same page? Because three of us we dey here, we don't even know what women want.
We don't know.
My brother.
But we don't want to say women. I see they list the M. Women.
You see the second M.
I don't call three now. Moto.
Moto.
And that moto, I don't call marriage. Moto. Money day.
No, that one's sploofing.
Now still M. You understand?
Yes.
But you can't realize a women can't like musicians. Past comedians.
This is very true.
You know how many women they be baby mamas for comedians? Check P Square. The two of them. The two P Square.
Before they
marry. They don't do two baba.
No. Two baba no follow now. Two baba na patron now. You know some of the counter mama people we get baby mama. You don't leave them out. Patron of them. Baby mama.
Whiskey, small as he day. What's happen?
Ice Prince follow.
K-Switch, we never will hear.
This one these girls no they even look age, they follow this thing. Get one small picking where they sing now Ozibosco. More than no go, we no 1 year say Ozibosco maybe 9 years, I be 7 years, go come be baby.
Baby daddy.
Mama, baby.
But as long as you they sing, these people just like if you just get M. So now why we now want change? Maybe how want they call comedian now we'll change our name to MC, okay?
No, master of ceremony.
Yes, MC.
We are MC. And we shall be MCing the MCs.
Wetin man want, very simple. Just be sexy and know how to cook. That's all.
And for me, I add cranking to it.
Now you what do you mean by sexy? What do you mean by sexy with that? What do you mean by sexy?
Yes.
I'm not be lying. For enough man problem are just two. For woman. Just be able to tidy the man.
Just sweet. Just be sweet. Just be sweet in two places.
Just
kitchen and room.
And room. That's all. If you can pass these two exams in your life,
man is okay.
Everything you want in this life, we shall give it to you.
Get the study of crankardiology.
You know the women too complex. When we say we not even they say we want take study there. This topic we go do them again when we get one girl for this.
We come for top. We come meet us for here.
But we feel here waiting them really because this thing they confuse me.
That kind of thing.
I know they feel tell now. If I say thank God say well I never get girlfriend again.
No worry.
I can't go back house now. Wait till I go here. Where my madam go want.
It go different. Maybe we sharply rush go do Sisi opinion.
I like we go don't change them sharply for you.
Oh yeah. Sisi opinion. Mo hear wetin our women got to talk. Sisi.
Women want care, like me man they show concern for them.
I don't know about other women who me I want good career, I want a good family,
marriage, attention and money.
Money. That's what women want.
Having an awesome family is good life. You know, good health is good life.
happy environment is good life.
Anything wey man knows they feel to make their girlfriend they happy, make they do am.
Yeah, I don't mean to bother you. I don't get all your time. Hey, baby, tell me who discover you.
The babe say marriage, money.
No, this last girl, we say anything, say make anything where you know, say go make your girl, make she dey happy, which you want make give am.
So indirectly now, we concur. Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand.
My right hand, they pay me.
We concur to that message that says women want all things.
No, they don't say all things.
It is all things.
Yes.
You know what woman no want for this life?
So they want all things.
Yes, all things. Woman want money. Woman want marriage. Woman want clothes. He want car. He want better crank. He want good home. He want food.
And I like most of waiting all those girls in yarn for that place. You can clearly tell it's in a comfort, and which I agree.
Just women summarize them up.
Women want comfort. So that means say if your woman call you now, Shakara no maybe don't tire. Just say Shakara, come home now.
Just like you are all tired now. Just are all tired.
You don't overdrink now.
You don't
Shakara.
Don't even the drink safe.
You know say I get one married friend. If the guy they come back to come the drink, he go they tell you say today.
Come, this babe know the.
Wait, now know they call this gist. He go they tell you say today. Say no say as they go back house. Say he must do. Say he never do for like the past 3 days. So say today old. I call they say hey, that's your marriage day. This is my brother. Say your wife tell you say he know say today like this.
It must happen.
It must happen. So in they arrange himself to go. I say this marriage. So women when they
of course now you know say some marriages they get timetable. Now. Say on Wednesday now compulsory.
But you know say that one 9 day boring pass. It is very boring. Now those marriages don't be say
but maybe not be time. Maybe not be timetable. Maybe now say you know do on Monday. You know do on Tuesday. You know say this now the third day. He must do. You understand? Maybe now waiting the guy they try. They try to lose the guy.
You know say women when it comes to that cranking part of waiting they want, then they like them anywhere. You jam for bedroom, you crank. Kitchen, you crank.
Maybe all women know. Maybe all women know. Maybe all women know.
No. It depends on the kind of woman when you deal with.
I don't see woman way wrong leave marriage because the man won't use cranky finisher. You don't know. Now they come committee. Now they call the family, call the man. They say, "What's happen? You dey crank this man every day." Now they come say, "Okay, from today go. Now once a day. Say if you crank today, no crank again." Now so the guy call the man once a day. One day rain come fall. And he already collect that day home for afternoon. For night, now so the guy call the catch up. Now call the touch up. Philo say, hey, Wetin? You never collect what you want to collect from. They say, I beg, borrow me one from tomorrow on. borrow me one from tomorrow on, I beg.
But really, I don't know what you they talk, but see, sincerely, we'll go do what don't spoil.
Today we don't want to read tweets. Because I want to make it be say 1 year directly from the women.
Directly from the women.
From next week.
We're gonna follow us talk well. No, we say we don't go read on our tweet so. But
no, I want
we no go read on our
when the babe will come here, we will discuss this topic again. Then we will know.
Maybe we talk the gist well, them. You understand? When we talk the gist well, then the babe go follow us read the tweet when we go yarn this matter again. I beg, what don't spoil? Sharply. Away maybe go make we see the one we will get for now today. I don't see that word on spot will carry given now.
You know, say this the way you see so even worse past now. Say America now don't come out their hand from our fuel. No say and they don't really, want to buy for Nigeria.
You know say now fuel don't even go down now. The fuel markets don't really go down.
This word on spot when I break up them, it even affects me. I swear to God. Because Nigeria no even supposed to get problem with
for this fuel.
So the country like Ghana even tell us say make we relax, say they go supply us fuel.
Can you imagine?
Now where America don't come one hand. Say they don't want to buy our fuel again. They don't get enough what they need. Black say fuel will come down again. To that time, when How much would they buy fuel in the
One time in day we buy liter. No, that was no even before that time. Sef, I know say began one particular time when my pale be tell me say that they buy liter of fuel for like 5 naira.
Yes,
but
you
know why is no say why don't they hustle as a young guy? Why don't they hustle?
Yeah, now 22 naira.
22 naira. That one no fit come off my head.
Now how much again? 65, ba?
That time we fuel be 22 naira.
I don't want to forget.
I don't they save money. I don't they save money to buy car. I don't really know how much. Liter of fuel. But when I've come finally get money to buy car, guess how much before? 60 something naira.
Now 97
naira.
But they will come down. They must. No. With this new trend now, they must come down. Now this one be the highest war. Don't spoil. Say now we get the fuel,
but we still they suffer for it.
And I think the reason why the fuel been the high like that now because of say. You know, say if you sell something, go outside. You want to increase the money so that you could make more. So now, where do America don't come out their hand now? They don't get us. Now we they buy them inside. They don't get choice. If they don't want to reduce them, we go to track. You understand? Track go your office, come back and see. They must reduce this fuel.
I beg, when I don't hear the matter, we don't talk I'm on top what don't spoil. Anything where our people where they on top, that's high table day. I beg, make una sharply, make una the chook eye. On top this film matter because you know easy. We get people will be say that 97 naira and that breakfast money.
You know easy.
I beg, yo brother.
To be in the buy fuel that time for 27 naira. Easy. My brother, my sister. No be today.
Oh, I know why I don't try. Because if this my brother enter studio, he said he no go sell now.
When I been they sing.
But on a lighter note, this fuel matter. You know say one full animal carry cow they walk out for road. You see say motor they overtake am. Because they say kai your motor so now which in it. Next say motor they enter filling station take first say kai na gani. That's what she get now so shama you ba. That's why carry cow animal. Enter filling station, tell the guy, put on fuel for 50 naira. When the guy carry the nozzle, face the cow for back, as he pump and the thing hot the cow take off. I walk in the car, I talk him the fuel. Mima put for me for 100 naira. Make it catch up.
With the car and the horse.
Maybe I chook eye on top this matter. I beg. Shakara no yara, Shuma no yara, Mr. no yara my own. Make una chook eye. May we solve this matter. I beg, in summary, wetin women want. Shakra?
They want everything. I think women want me. They want some guy.
Yeah.
They want guy with always smile, with always happy, you know. You know, so my trademark with that.
To smile.
I can't do a day with that smile, even if I get bad day.
Yeah, especially when you lie. Yeah.
True. I must laugh, you know.
Yeah, especially when you lie. When Shakara won't lie, now you always smile. I know.
Show man.
Yeah. Well, what women need, Shakara try sell the market. Women need correct guy like me, if we give you TLC, will be tender, loving care. And you can get that from me 24 hours every day.
Everybody, they sell their market. But me, I don't come here and sell anything because I am not selfish. Now, so we'll go bomb quick on top of the show today. But me, I believe say una will get every better thing we una deserve. Una want comfort, una go get them. Una want life, una go get them. From Chakra.
Yes.
Showman.
Yeah.
Boom.
And me, Ugo Matthews, your boy. Ngwan.
Catch your phone.